Let's take a look at this Magic Potions kit that I was given so I could give you guys a review. I surprised my little one with it and she absolutely loved it. There is so much to unpack here. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. It is amazing. You can see all of the different windows labeled with all the different days counting down to the holiday. It also comes with this instruction manual and it teaches your kid how to mix the colors so that it makes the correct color that they're looking for. So I love that it comes with this little equation and we can start to learn that. It also teaches you how you're gonna make it. These are stickers that you are gonna put onto the bottle so that you can label each one. It was so fun to be able to go through day by day and take each one out in their own little pouches. Each one has its own little bottle as well as little things that you can put inside. It comes with everything you are going to need to make these cute little potions. And my little one, we had the best time. This one is a cute little heart-shaped jar. It comes with each different thing that they suggest you put inside. Of course, you can mix and match as you go. It was really fun to be able to craft with my little one and be able to mix not only the water, but the little jewels, the sparkles, the glitter, everything that you can put inside to really customize and make it your own. It was really fun to be able to let her go ahead and just have so much fun and really make believe so that she could create exactly what she wanted to based off of the different potions and the colors. We had the best time just getting crafty and a little bit messy and just enjoying ourselves. It was a really fun bonding experience and it was really great to be able to let her go and explore and just have a really good time. We also love being able to add the little stickers that go on the front and we have been making them each day as we go and they are so cute. We also invite some friends over to make some with us. This would make a fantastic gift. I would definitely recommend checking this out.